Welcome to our channel. Today we're going to draw a frog and color it. Take out your black marker. Draw a simple head outline. Big face. Big round eyes. Starry-eyed. Blackened. Draw another big mouth. Here's the blush. Round body. Cute feet. Big belly. And then here's the hind legs. And then you draw the lines for the frog. The lines on the top of the head. Let's draw another large lotus leaf. Some water drops. Now the simple pattern is complete. Let's make it thick.
Woo!
It's great. Now let's get some color. Green. Dark green stripe. Grass green. Dark green stripe. Green. Blue-green. Olive yellow. Bright yellow. Pink. Blue. Our work is finished. It's very beautiful. Thank you for watching. See you next time.